Welcome back. Today I'm showing you one of my perennials that I'm so excited about because I have grown this for about 2 years now and I was almost giving up because it was not flowering. So I was really happy when I saw the flowers coming out. So this is my anemone and it's September now and it's adding the white bright brown color to my border. It says from when I've read that it can go up to a meter, but this one is about getting close to a meter high and it's spreading quite nicely with a lot of bloom. And I like the fact that the late blooming means that when a lot of things are flower are going away, it still add that interest to the border. So it's something you may want to consider if you're looking for something that will add color. It's quite erect, which I like about perennials, and the fact that it's standing straight makes me think that it's something I like to keep or maybe introduce to other parts of the garden. If you're somebody like me that likes erect plants, I think this one is for you. For me, this location is perfect because at the back we have the enormous that is mostly green and yellow and forming the background there. This one stands tall above the other perennials and adding a lot of color. The anime dancing in the wind. This particular stem has potential for 8 flowers. I wish they would all come at the same time. So thank you for watching and please subscribe, like and share, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.